Hi there, my name is Chaniao. Today, I am going to introduce Gather.Town to all of you who are watching. I believe all teachers and lecturers from the different parts of the world who are watching this video right now will agree to the common issues we face while conducting classes using the popular web conferencing software such as Zoom, Google Meet, or Microsoft Teams. Issue number 1. Lack of teacher-student engagement. Online classes conducted through these popular web conferencing software often lack the student-teacher engagement that we used to have when we were in the physical classrooms. It is very common to see students turning off their camera while the classes are ongoing, or remained silent when teachers asked a question or requested students to type their answers in the chat box. Issue number 2. The monotonous instructional strategy. Like it was previously mentioned, due to the inability to have adequate student-teacher engagement in the online lessons, the instructional strategy which teachers apply in their online classes would narrow down to mostly direct instruction, or traditional teaching methods only. In this case, teachers would occupy and be dominant in the most part of a lesson, while teachers have been talking, and talking, and talking, students' attention would be dropping, and dropping, and dropping. Finally, the waiting is over. A web conferencing website that could better emulate the physical classroom conditions is finally here. Introducing Gather.Town. Gather.Town is a web conferencing software like Zoom, Google Meet, or Microsoft Teams. However, Gather.Town has the added component of seeing the virtual you in the virtual meeting platform. You have the ability to move around and interact with other participants, or even have fun by making a goofy dance, just like real life. On Google search bar, type Gather.Town, or type Gather.Town on your web browser. You can choose to sign in with Google, or sign in with your email. Once you are logged in, you can choose to start your virtual meeting using one of the templates provided, or design your own space. If you are new to Gather.Town, and you are teaching a class with size not more than 25 students, my suggestion is to use one of these classrooms that you can choose from the template. Once you are in the space, you can design your own character, and learn how to navigate your character using your keyboards. You can finally see yourselves with your students, in the same classroom, after having teaching from home for the past few months, or even years. If you go near a student, camera will start to appear, and you can start communicating with your student. When you take a few steps back from the student, camera will disappear, and the particular student can no longer hear you. You can press the screen share button to share your presentation slide. Students can use emoji to reply your questions. In the event of an unstable internet connection, you can also communicate with your students via the group chat. If you want to have some fun, press Z to dance. Group discussion is now made easier than ever. Once you have made the announcement on the podium, you can assign students into different discussion rooms, where they can use the shared whiteboard to verify their working and share their thoughts together. One of the significant advantages Gather.Town offers is its ability to move around. Making use of that, we could move many classroom activities such as scavenger hunts to online. In this example, students were expected to find the corresponding answer to their starting question from one of the posters which they could see in the room. They would solve the question, look for the answer, and repeat the routine until they will reach their starting posters again. From the feedback gathered, students in general express positive feedback towards the incorporation of Gather.Town. Overall, they have found this meeting platform provides more interaction and fun. Students also agree that this platform will provide positive impact on their learning attitude, such as interest towards learning mathematics. Thank you for watching. I wish you have learned about Gather.Town, and you will try it out to incorporate it in your mathematics classes.